Introduction. What a beautiful pearl necklace! If you notice, there are 3 white pearls and 3 black pearls and so on and so forth. Looks like they're arranged in a particular sequence or pattern. Let us learn more about pattern today. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define pattern, make patterns using shapes and numbers, understand even and odd number patterns, recognize multiplication and division patterns. It's Christmas time and Sam is busy decorating his Christmas tree with lights. The bulbs in light series are red, blue, green and yellow. And again, the same colored bulbs repeat. They form a pattern. Let us look at a different type of pattern. If you notice, the numbers of crayons are not exactly repeating. Each color of crayon is increasing. This type of pattern is called as growing pattern. Look at the number chart given here. They follow some rule. In rows, the number increases by 1. In each column, the number increases by 10. And diagonally, the number increases by 11. They are called growing patterns. Look at the numbers given here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. The first series are called even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2 and ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. The number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are called odd numbers. Both in even and odd numbers, we skip counting by 2s. Look at the pattern given here. 4, 16, 64, 256, 1024. The differences between 2 numbers in the series are varying. The difference is 3, 12, 48, and 192. This means they do not follow addition and subtraction pattern. The pattern followed is called multiplication pattern. In this pattern, the next number is obtained by multiplying the number by 4. Similarly, we can also make division pattern. Division pattern is reciprocal of multiplication pattern. Look at the given series. 256, 64, 16, 4, and 1. In this series, the next number is obtained by dividing the number by 4. This is called division pattern. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Pattern is a repetition in the same sequential order. Rules can be in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Even numbers ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Odd numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. In a multiplication pattern, the next number is obtained by multiplying it by the same number. In a division pattern, the next number is obtained by dividing it by the same number.